Good afternoon. Hi, Miss Henelyn Gamba. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Henelyn Begonia Camba, 43 years old, from Alaminos City, Pangasinan. I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have 3 kids. They are all boys. The ages is 18, 16, and 12.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 6 siblings, and I'm the third of them.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate, sir. I did not finish my college because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, sir, I have.
Did you finish your contract?
No, sir, I did not finish my contract because my employer immigrated in another country.
How many years in what country?
1 year and 4 months in UAE.
How many kids did you take care in your previous employer?
There are 3 kids, sir.
Indicate your duties and responsibilities.
My duties and responsibilities for them is taking a bath, ironing, car washing.
How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as long patient, kind, responsible to work, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad because of our financial needs.
Are you scared of dogs and
No,
cats?
sir.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle another child or children with tantrums?
I understand them because they are kids, talk politely, and love them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Baba, black sheep, have you ever born? Yes, sir, 3 birds for.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you choose me, I will do my duties and responsibility as your helper. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you.